Only 4 out of 10 kids can wiggle their ears. Only 3 out of 10 kids can touch their noses with their tongues. But 8 out of 10 kids who taste Chex like Chex. They like Chex one-of-a-kind shape, one-of-a-kind crunch, one-of-a-kind great taste. And that's good news for 8 out of 10 moms looking for a wholesome cereal their kids will like. So while only 6 out of 10 kids can stand on their heads, 8 out of 10 kids who taste Chex like Chex.
Why are alphabets fun to eat? Because you can eat the fun.
N is for monkey. There's a monkey in my alphabet. How does it taste? T is for tugboat. There's a tugboat in my alphabet. How does it taste?
Post-alphabet cereal, part of this nutritious breakfast. You can eat the fun.
The best. And we have right.
Checker Double Decker, now just 2 for $3. It's real big and really good. The Checker Double Decker, just 2 for $3.
Grumpy called us here so late at night.
Well, you can stop wondering. I wanted to show you my latest invention.
That's really something. What is it?
It's a special power generator.
That's great. But couldn't this have waited until morning?
Bumbling Biddlebots. The switch is stuck. It's no use. You are too!
I am not.
You are too. That's your name. You are too. Now give me your report.
Oh, right. By my calculations, if you don't increase the power supply, this whole place will float away.
Yes, I know that, and I'm trying to fix it! Don't take that tone with me, Mr. Beaks. He's your robot sidekick, too.
Perhaps I could be of some assistance?
I don't need any help. This is a delicate piece of equipment requiring a delicate touch.
Delicate touch. Yes.
Are you sure we can't help you, Grumpy?
It's working! Now, watch. Maybe the answer to my power needs lies in Care-a-Lot with those nauseating furballs. Rainbows everywhere. Wait, what's this?
Looks like a power generator.
That's just what I need. We're going on a little trip. A power trip.
Oh, yes, I get it.
Okay, everybody. We've got a lot of work to do to prepare for our Rainbow Night celebration. I'll be putting up signs for the parade route.
I'm gonna blow up balloons and decorate the whole town with them.
I'll be preparing the feast.
Surprise! I just wanted to let everyone know that I'm planning a super secret surprise for tonight. Everybody's got a job except for me. What should I do? Well, since you're so good at sharing, you could go around and help out wherever you're needed. That's the perfect job for me. You need any help, Oopsie? Ouch!
A little help would be very nice. And might I add, oopsie.
You are too.
Sir.
Come on, we have a generator to steal.
Stay tuned. There's nothing cooler than Coolopolis.
Hey, boys and girls, it's Cali Gear by Skechers. These new shoes are super soft, really light, and waterproof, too. They come in all kinds of colors, with shoe decorations, too. So jump into Cali Gear by Skechers.
Lights, camera, Bratz. From the new Bratz movie, meet the new Bratz movie dolls. You can be a Bratz movie star. Pose and then pose some more. Closed up and out in blue. Chloe, pose for us. Blowing kisses too. Bratz stuck up posing so much more. Catch Yasmin's golden sheen. Hey Bratz, pose again. Bratz the movie dolls. Bratz the movie dolls each come with a real working camera. Doll sets each sold separately. Bratz the movie rated PG. That's a Bratz wrap. She's the most playful pony ever. My little pony. Playing Carrie Skywish just always has fun.
I love my toys.
Her play gym changes into a carrier.
Skywishes love to go bye-bye.
My little pony. Playing Carrie Skywishes comes as shown.
Tried the great taste of new honeycomb yet? Think it's better than the old? You can cast your vote at Postopia.com. Enter the Post Token code for Mark Boxes and get 10 free Post Tokens. That honey sweet bite now tastes even better. Why not try new honeycomb, part of this good breakfast, today?
Want a pet of your very own to take care of? Introducing Purse Pals.
She tells you what she needs. Our puppy's playing outside. Like Jermita says she needs a bath.
Just move your Purse Pal inside your cool interactive house. You can even play electronic games. Visit other pets' houses, because they can play together. Fold up your Purse Pal's house and take the fun anywhere. Purse Pals come with their own 3D pet and interactive house. Each sold separately, batteries not included. New from Wild Planet.
The Transformers War is here, and both sides can change from vehicle to blaster in an instant. Decepticons conquer the skies with the Starscream Barrel Roll Blaster. Autobots rule the roads with the Optimus Prime Battle Rig Blaster. Transformers, each sold separately.
Welcome back. Coolopolis is cooking.
1, 2, 3 cups of prickly peppermint.
How's it going, Grumpy?
Oh, fine. Busy.
Can I help?
No, don't need me. Got it all under control.
Are you sure about that?
Of course I'm sure. Now let's see, what's next? 4 cups of bumbleberries. Oh, fraddle. I still need to go out and pick some.
I have bumbleberries growing in my garden. I'll be happy to share them with you.
My grandma Grumpy didn't need any help making her stew, and I don't either. I can find my own bumbleberries, thank you very much.
What did I do to make him act so grumpy? I was just trying to help.
This is perfect. The Care Bears are so busy getting ready for this silly party, they'll never notice us.
You may be incorrect about that.
Okay, everyone. This is where Funshine said he'd love for us to put all the lovely fruity fruit punch for the party.
Sticky situation.
No, there have to be some bumbleberries growing around here somewhere.
Are you sure I can't help, Grumpy?
Again? No, thank you, Cher.
But everyone needs help sometimes.
Cher's right, Grumpy. Everybody needs...
Yes! This will give me power to keep my home from floating away. Huh? What?
with a surprise for the parade. This must be the surprise.
Huh?
Sparkle Bear! Sparkle Bear! Sparkle Bear! Sparkle Bear! Sparkle Bear!
What have you got there, guys?
This must be Surprise Bear's lovely surprise for the parade. No, it's not. This is my surprise. A heart piñata. But then, what is Sparkle Bear, and where did it come from?
And where's he going?
It's Grizzle! Here to ruin our celebration, no doubt.
As much as I would like that, I'm actually here for another reason. Hey, he stole my generator! I'll bet you he was gonna use it against us!
Go on, tell them.
My home. It's losing power. If I don't do something, it'll float away. And me along with it.
If there's a problem this generator of mine can solve, you didn't need to steal it. All you had to do was ask. You just ask for help.
Really? You mean it? Well, in that case, can you help me? Help me!
Sure thing, it's yours. I can always build another one.
Ha! It's mine! All mine! So long, Fairballs!
What he meant to say was, thank you.
No, I didn't!
Well, without the generator, we won't have our rainbow lights, but we can still have a fantabulous Rainbow Night celebration!
Big parade, lots of music, and surprises! And don't forget Grumpy's lovely noodly stoodly doodly stew!
Slight problem. I'm, missing an important ingredient for my stew. I couldn't find any bumbleberries.
But Grumpy, Cher's got bumbleberries growing in her garden.
I know that, and she offered to help. But I said no. Bumbling Biddlebots. Here I am telling Grizzle that there's nothing wrong with asking for help, and I wasn't willing to ask for any myself. Cher, will you help me now?
Of course I will, Grumpy. You just gotta ask.
All right, let's go pick some bumbleberries.
Your noodly stoodly doodly stew is stupendous, Grumpy. I'm having seconds.
I'm having thirds. This is the best Rainbow Night celebration ever.
Yep, it sure is. But I still kind of wish we had the rainbow lights.
Maybe I can help.
The new generator is working perfectly, sir. Your lair has full power and is no longer floating away.
Wonderful. Rainbows. I hate rainbows.
Ooh, I rather like it. I dare say it makes me feel like dancing.
Stay tuned. There's nothing cooler than Coolopolis. You can dance like the Wildcats from East High with the new Twister Moves High School Musical Edition. Blue,
Red,
jump, club, purple,
green, home,
club. Have a blast with the East High cast and Twister Moves High School Musical Edition. CD player not included.
Looking for something totally fun? This is it. 4-H, a community of kids looking for adventure, new experiences, and new friends. And 4-H lives right here, where you live, and where you can be yourself, where you can learn and discover exciting, rewarding, and just plain cool stuff. 4-H is about belonging to a club of kids just like you, who want to explore the world and help others along the way. Ready to start your 4-H adventure? You can check out 4h.org today.
Wouldn't it be great if the whole world was a cool Chuck place? Chuck E. Cheese's.
It's cool, for real.
Look what's happening in Little Tykes Land. This is the Smarter Kitchen, the Little Tykes Kitchen. Cooking, baking, sing-along fun. The Little Tykes Kitchen is the smarter one.
Put the littlest vegetable in the pan.
Measuring, mixing, just like Mom. Cook what you like, you can't go wrong.
Put the pink frosting on the cake. You got it right.
Now that's the smart kitchen. Little Tykes Cook and Learn Kitchen. Accessory packed, stowed separately. Batteries not included.
Hey, boys and girls, it's Cali Gear by Skechers. These new shoes are super soft, really light, and waterproof, too. They come in all kinds of colors, with shoe decorations, too. So jump into Cali Gear by Skechers.
Think you've got the skills to blast the flying targets of Nerf Disc Shot? It's the N-Strike Ultimate Targeting Challenge, with a wireless remote that lets you launch targets in every direction. Nerf N-Strike Disc Shot. Comes as shown, batteries not included.
And now, back to the coolest thing on TV, Coolopolis.
Aw, come on, Grumpy. We know you've been working on something.
See, we can hear you hammering and sawing all over Care-a-Lot.
We just want a little look.
No, I'm not finished yet.
Please? Pretty please?
Okay, but just a peek. Hey, watch it! Ta-da!
You built a cloud?
Grumpy? I think clouds have already been invented.
It looks like a cloud, but it's not. I call it the Cloud Express.
But what does it do?
The Cloud Express will allow every Care Bear in Care-a-Lot to deliver whatever they want, whenever they want, to whomever they want. Watch. The package goes in here. Then you punch in the delivery address, and bingo! The Cloud Express is on its way. Once they've finished building it, everyone in Care-a-Lot can use the Cloud Express anytime they want.
I think the first delivery with Grumpy's new invention should be flowers. And there's enough for everyone in Care-a-Lot to get a daffodil. From me.
Ow! Jumping Biddlebots! That's it. I'm taking a break. Well, by this time tomorrow, the Cloud Express will be all finished.
I've come to use the Cloud Express. Grumpy? I wonder if it's finished. It looks finished. I bet it's finished. Maybe I should ask Grumpy first. Well, he said we could use it anytime we want it, and I want to use it. So, it should be okay. Send a flower to all.
Hey, I got a Cloud Express just like that one. That is my Cloud Express! Stop! Stop! No! Stop!
Is it finished?
It doesn't sound finished.
It sounds
Broken.
My Cloud Express! Oh.
Uh-oh. Maybe it wasn't finished.
Well, look on the bright side. The Cloud Express went out with a bang.
A pretty bang.
Like a piñata breaking open.
Sorry, Grumpy.
It's not your fault.
Guys, this is serious.
See, we must do it. Oh, no. Not the Care Bear stare. No, you... Oh, all right. I feel better. Thanks, guys. Still, I wish I knew what happened. Somebody must have come in here and used the Cloud Express when I was taking my break. I knew it wasn't any of you.
Yeah, must have been somebody else. Ooh, what was that? Come on, let's investigate this mystery.
Who would have done such a thing?
Yeah, who?
What was that?
Oh, just my tummy.
Oh, do you feel sick?
No, not sick. It just feels like it's full of butterflies. Well, I better go help the others find out who did this. There's that funny feeling again.
Butterflies?
Mm-hmm.
When I get butterflies in my tummy, it's usually my conscience talking to me.
Your what?
My conscience. It's like a little voice inside of me that sometimes lets me know right from wrong.
Wrong? I didn't do anything wrong. Just butterflies. I gotta go now.
We'll be right back with the stars of our show on Coolopolis. How do you play the Bratz Kids way? Get her! Yasmin, Phoebe, Chloe, Dana too. Busting the slopes the way the Bratz Kids do. Bratz Kids winter vacation fun. Something cool for everyone. How do you play?
Bratz Kids Winter Vacation Dolls and RC Snowmobile with Dana. Each sold separately. Batteries not included.
Why settle for a boring chocolate cereal when you can go big with new chocolate honeycomb? Great chocolate taste in humongous pieces. And new chocolate honeycomb is part of this good breakfast. It's better when it's bigger.
Bring it on!
So what's our day look like? Well, first you see your stylist. Fabulous. And then lunch with your agent.
Going prime time, sweetie.
Oh, and our photo shoot.
Beautiful.
Now what? Autograph time!
Now you can dream big and live it up with Dream Life Superstar. Explore the world and discover the kind of celebrity you want to be. Go shopping, talk biz with your agent, and walk the red carpet. Every choice you make is one step closer to becoming a superstar of your dreams.
You're a superstar! I'm a superstar!
Dream Life Superstar. And create your own fashion collection with Designer's World from the makers of Dream Life. Batteries not included, diesel separately.
That's right. You found us. Stay tuned to View the Cool on Coolopolis.
Checks are fun. Checks are high. Looking for a piece of where the cereal's got? Checks marks the spot. The one-of-a-kind part of this complete breakfast. Now you can get a free CD-ROM game inside boxes of Chex cereals. Help Chex Man battle the Flamoids and save the planet with Zoids. 20 free in specially marked boxes of Chex cereals.
What are we going to do now?
Stay tuned. You won't want to miss.
I have a very good idea.
Strawberry shortcake.
This will be fun. I can't wait.
She's very special, very sweet, very adventurous.
What do you say, girls?
You betcha. And very, very cool. The very special world of strawberry shortcake is here.
Hooray! Yes! Absolutely amazing.
Don't miss her on Coolopolis, only on CBS.
What's this? A clue! It smells like a flower. And who in Carolot knows a lot about flowers? Cher! Check this and tell me if you think it's a flower or not.
No. Ugh. It smells stinky to me. It can't be a flower.
Really?
talking to?
The butterflies. I mean, nobody. Aha! Surprise, Bear! You startled us. I just wanted to point out that I found a clue to help you. A paw print.
Whoever used Grumpy's Cloud Express had to be a bear.
How could a Care Bear do such a thing?
Did you say something, Cher?
No,
It must have been Grizzle.
Oh, you're right. Grizzle's a bear.
And breaking Grumpy's invention is just the sort of thing he'd do.
This comes as no surprise.
Let's go give him a good talking to right now.
Well, it is the sort of thing Grizzle would do, so he gets punished. Where's the harm in that?
That no-good Grizzle has caused us enough problems.
This is just like him, too. Any one of us would have admitted we did it.
Right! I'm not listening. La 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 la. Quiet! It was me! I broke Grumpy's cloud!
Yeah. You?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean for it to break. And I didn't mean to lie about it. We know that you didn't mean to break it. It's good that you admit what you did. You're doing the right thing. I feel much better now. And my butterflies flew away. Huh? What butterflies?
She means her conscience isn't bothering her anymore.
I'm sorry for breaking your cloud, Grumpy. I didn't mean to. I thought it was finished. Can you ever forgive me?
You shouldn't have used it without asking first. But I think I can forgive you. On one condition. Help me build another Cloud Express.
You bet!
There! Finished! This Cloud Express is even better than before.
Grumpy? May I send out the first delivery?
Sure. Why not? Let's give her a test.
Mr. Beaks, it is almost finished. Ha! It is done! In your face! You may be a whiz at lining up dominoes, but nobody beats Grizzle at building card houses! Hmm? What's this? Sorry I blamed you for breaking Grumpy's cloud. Love, Share Bear. P.S. Hope you enjoy the flowers. What? Achoo! Mr. Beaks, stop laughing.
You don't do nothing. You don't wanna do. Ain't nothing funny about you. Keeping it real and do what you feel. Yeah. You gotta eat. Yeah, you gotta eat.
This burger was made for you. The Checker Double Decker, now just 2 for $3. It's real big and really good. The Checker Double Decker, just 2 for $3.
You gotta eat. Yeah, you gotta eat. Checkers.
Because CBS is the Coolopolis place to be.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Good job. Kick it with the Care Bears. And strawberry shortcake, too. Cake is oh so crafty.
Oh, I love it.
And Horseland is oh so sassy. Sushi Pack is on a roll.
Well, sashimi.
While Dino Squad transforms.
Get prehistoric.
So get ready for Coolopolis. Weekends on CBS.